It is Friday, and David insists that we record this last few minutes of us installing this. Although I say us, David wasn't even here for that side. That was just me and Alexis did that side, and then I did 100%. I did 80% of this, and now he's coming to take the credit. So, but this time, so what we did was we took the tire out, the outside tire, because it was just way too hard. There's hardly any room to stick your arm in here. Even Alexis's little arm could not go in there and grab some of the screws on there. We were killing ourselves yesterday. So taking the tire off made it so much easier to do this. So right now we're just on the finishing touches. I already drilled the holes in there. Just have to slide these in and scratching the paint that I put on there. So yeah, literally just put this on, bolt it in, put the tire back in. We're waiting for the elbows to come in from Kim Industries. Shout out to Kim Industries for hooking us up with the elbows. He sent it pretty quick. Actually, they brought me other elbows. He actually hand delivered them because he was in town. And unfortunately, I told him the wrong one. I thought I had the same exact system on this truck as I have on the International. I was driving the International the day I ordered the parts for the elbows. And this one, I forgot already again. One of our tarp systems is a US tarp, and this one's a roll right. So the elbows that he sent me was a US tarp because I told him I had two US tarps. I thought they were both identical, and they weren't. So they're two different elbows. So as soon as I get that in, we're golden. We're gonna put the new tarp in. The tarp I had ordered was originally for the International, but I'm gonna put it on this truck because, like I said, we're gonna be selling it anyway, so it might as well have it all nice and new. And then I'm just gonna order another tarp for the International. So need your help with that. They have warranties on these. What the f did you do, bro? I can't even undo it. Bro, why didn't you bring the grinder? This is a multi-tool. I didn't say multi-tool. I said bring the grinder. I just lit my beard on fire. You gotta be shitting me. Are you fucking shitting me for real right now? I didn't feel it right.
Tell me you're a rookie, though.
I knew it. It's just karma. When you go and talk shit, it always comes back around. It always comes back around. Bro! You gotta be shitting me right now with this one stupid ass bolt.
Mack, that.
Yes. Okay.
Made any valuable connections or partnerships here at the Expo?
Over the 3 years we've been coming since the Dumpster Expo became an event, we have existing relationships that we've grown from that first year to now. There's a lot of guys we look forward to seeing. Just as an example, last night at our hotel, we started off with 5 guys at a table, just talking shop, learning from each other, turned into 8, then 12, then 16. All of a sudden, we had probably 25 guys sitting in a big circle in our hotel lobby, learning from each other, talking about experiences and how we can help each other. That creates new relationships as well by getting introduced from, our current or existing, relationships that we've already built over the years. And just snowball effect, right? It's great for everyone.
Oh, yikes.
Oh! Holy crap!
I thought it went the other way. Picking up a 20 yard, and then we're taking it to another small town. So right now we're in Chatfield. So David, do your magic on the map. Show where we're at. And then we are headed to Frost. So, but first we'll have to probably dump in Corsicana. Am I gonna be able to make this little cut? I sure did. That's too easy. It's because we're wanting it right there, kind of in front of the garage. There should be a piano inside this dumpster. So I know David is a musician. Maybe you can hop in real quick and play some tunes. I've seen David play all kinds of instruments. He plays usually the ones that you blow in, like the flute and the clarinet. And the harmonica. Takes good lung strength. See that piano? Is there a piano in there?
It's like underneath everything.
On the side? Ah, we could stand it up. Something happened there. There we go. Just dropped into place. You better get out of them woods before you get attacked by some chiggers. You guys don't know, chiggers down here are nasty little varmints. They tear up they bite you. They're like country folk fleas, but they've got redneck in them. They're terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Found out about that when I moved here to Texas. Went into some field one day and I was all bit up.
Yeah.
Tarped and ready to roll. We out. What the hell? There we go. Can't put it in dry. Vámonos. Windows are wrong. Fogged up. How you doing?
How's it going?
Good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go back with it. I live next door in here.
Okay. They said I should just back up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
was like a 1 in a million chance.
So you.
I didn't want to. I had no choice, but yeah.
Someday. No. Yep. Alright, so we are here in Dallas dropping off a 15-yard dumpster at this this stone and tile place. And the guy's watching me like a hawk, so I want to make sure that I don't damage his stuff too much. You think he could tell me, come. There he goes, there he goes. Cool. Just gave me a little help. It's as easy as that. And as of now, that is it for the day. We got to go back to the shop. We got to finish the Mack truck. Still wait on the parts for the tarp. Hopefully the international will be done. You all set? Thank you. Mark this off in icons and we are on the way. Talking to my brother-in-law on the phone. He says, what's up, everybody? Let's go. Mail? Dave is going to put this in reverse, so it's going to make it look like we're leaving the shop, when in fact we're just arriving at the shop. There's 6 dumpsters here, so 3 out of 6 dumpsters here are full. I still gotta find time to go take them to the landfill. Oh shit!
Hey, there's a trash can there.
What?
I said there's a trash.
Yeah, thanks. Take my eyes off the pride for 2 seconds. We're gonna go work on the truck now. We ain't done yet. We're finish this stupid ass truck.
Finish the sentence. I'll definitely be back next year because
connections. I'll definitely be back because connections, and just meet, I guess, new vendors, learn more to keep expanding because you can't stop growing.
Yeah, those connections are, I think, paramount for our business. And sitting here with the training, some of the speakers bring some really great knowledge, just not of dumpsters specifically necessarily, just business in general, becoming a better businessman. And listen to some of them speak and some of their aspects they bring to their businesses to grow and scale their businesses. It's pretty awesome to hear. So I think that'll help us going forward. I'm looking forward to more of that.
How much you want to bet YouTube he's gonna mess it up again?
If I mess it up again, I'm done. I'm literally done. I will. If I mess this up again.
That's why you bought 4 more though.
You know what I'm gonna do? If I mess this up again, I'm going on vacation. Shouldn't be tight because it should have a lock nut on there, but somebody bought the wrong one. Let's see if it's the same head size. Is it the same? It is the same head size. Look at you. Wow.
I'm goated.
We didn't even take a.
It's not. Oh, is it?
Damn thing on it.
Is it the same size?
Yep. Well, the nut's bigger. I don't have. Can you give me something for the nut? Next size up. There it is.
Maybe
There it is.
we just had the wrong bolts.
We are done. So it went from this to that. I even sanded this down for the buyer. We sanded these down all the way down to the metal. Why are you behind me?
I'm showing with the light.
Sanded these mounts down to the bare metal. Painted them black. New fenders.
Stunning.
About to put the tires on.
Stunning.
Tarp arm elbows are coming in on Monday. I just looked at the shipping, the tracking. So we'll put that on a Monday. New tarp on Monday. Get this thing washed, detailed. The inside's already detailed. And get this thing listed for sale with 10 dumpsters. Package deal, 135,000. That's it. We out. Oh God. Try not to get dirty. I'm not gonna do this on camera.